I'm fine, but I realize that the worst is to come when the storm is gone. And I try to recognize that it's all in my head now. But lately, I've been feeling tired, but I can't sleep. My head is running miles, but I can't breathe. Will I ever get my mind under control? I don't know, 'cause I'm in the eye of the storm, and I've never been here before. All of my thoughts screaming loud, saying that I'll never make it out. 'Cause I'm falling deeper and deeper into my head, and I'm scared that I can't see the light at the end. Oh no, I'm in the eye of the storm.